I just bought my second of these NeoCritz pencil cases, and I just want to show you why it is that I love these so much for urban sketching, travel sketching, anything where you're going to be out and about drawing. So you can see it's got a little front pocket and a back pocket. And first of all, the obvious reason why I love them so much is that they can hold so much. So I'm going to put 18 Tombows in here. I wouldn't normally take 18 with me when I go out travel sketching. I might take a dozen, but just to show you what it can hold. And I'm going to have to work it a little because this is pushing it, but it's not a strain on the zipper at all. It quite comfortably packs up and holds 18 Tombow markers. This is my second one of these. I've had this colored pencil one for a while, and I've got 24 colored pencils in here plus a paintbrush. And it very comfortably closes up. So you can put a lot of art supplies in here. Let me show you something else I like about it. If I'm out sketching and I'm really only using a few colors, I like to put the colors in the front pocket just so I can reach for them quickly and I'm not having to remember which color of green I've been using. They're just sort of right here. So that's a nice use for that. As you can see, also, it stands up on its own. So if you're sketching at a table, it's super handy because this way they're not laying on the table and they're not going to roll away and get lost. So that turned out to be a much more useful feature than I thought it would be. But now I want to show you my real favorite thing about using this bag for urban sketching. So this is the bag I normally take with me when I'm out sketching. It's got all my art supplies in it. And what I'm going to do is unsnap this little snap and just put it around the strap. Close that. Okay. So here it is hanging off my bag. So if I need to sketch standing up, let me just move this around so you can see it on the side I actually did it on. If I need to sketch standing up, it's attached to my bag, but it's still kind of swinging around a little bit, right? So what I do is I go ahead and open it up, and I use a binder clip to attach it, and now it's very securely attached, and I can have this bag hanging around my shoulder, and I can just reach in and grab everything I need. But if I need to move quickly, I can just walk off because everything is attached. I haven't spread my art supplies out all over the place. And so the final thing I want to say about what I love so much about this bag is that if I'm doing watercolor, I will put, this is just a travel size shampoo bottle. I'll put this in the little front pocket, take the top off obviously. And if I'm painting, I can actually stand and paint, right? I can get my brush clean and go ahead and paint. And all my art supplies are with me. They're right on my body. So if I need to move around or walk away, I don't have to worry that there's art supplies scattered all over the place. So anyway, it's a great little kit. I highly recommend it. I love trying different art supplies, but when I realized I wanted a second one for markers, I definitely just went ahead and ordered another one of these. I get them from JetPens, and I can give you a link. They're a great company. I really like them. And yeah, I hope that's helpful.